You are watching me in a Cinestyle flat picture profile right now. On the internet, this has become the 10-year anniversary of the Cinestyle Picture Profile, which allows me to add a pop of color, like right now, changing the mood and vibe of a given video and giving you way more latitude in the editing when it comes to color correction and color grading. So that's the power of using a picture profile. And as we sit back and celebrate, let's break down exactly what Cinestyle is for those who don't know. And I don't think my hat's gonna fit in the frame very well. Cinestyle, created back in 2011 for the Canon 5D Mark II, was used by cinematographers to try to match Canon cameras up with other higher-end Canon cameras or just other cameras, period. I actually did that, and that's called color correction, when matching up Canon SL2 footage to get closer to an overhead drone shot in a recent video. That is the power of using picture profiles. And Cinestyle was a freebie and available to those of us without the more expensive, higher-end Canon camera. Therefore, giving us our first introduction to a flat picture profile. So, what do I mean by flat? Basically, think of a coloring book where the pages are white or off-white so your colors will show up better. Same principle with video. Now over on the YeagerShots Podcast, I've got a whole conversation breakdown about the color grading community online and why Canon definitely should have had more picture profiles in cameras like the Canon RP. Check that out wherever you find your podcast. So the year is 2013. This is the Canon T4i, or 650D if you were able to get an imported version, and this was the first camera I've ever loaded the Canon Cinestyle Profile on. And the Cinestyle Profile is definitely still a viable option. Now, it works best in some cameras and not so well in other cameras, but it's totally free, something to get your feet wet, and it's provided by Technicolor still. There's been complaints that the link not working anymore. Don't worry. And in the description below, I've got a link to the Cinestyle Profile as well as a Cinestyle lookup table, or a LUT, which is just giving you a nice place to start in your color grade when you want to color grade your footage or color correct your footage in whatever editing software you're using, whether it be Final Cut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve.
So actually installing Cinestyle into your camera couldn't be any easier. Like I said, the Technicolor website does have a link for the download, but sometimes it may or may not work, but we got you covered in the description below this video. Also go to Canon, whichever region you're in this case USA, get your EOS Utility download, pick your specific camera that you want to download for, and install it to your computer, same process for PC or Mac, and then just pick whichever user-defined setting you want to apply the picture profile. Like for me, mine's Picture Profile 3. And while you're online, head on over to YeagerShots.com and check out our video editor's colored keyboard t-shirt, available now at YeagerShots.com.
And that's it for today. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out our definition of photography tee over at YeagerShots.com. And until next time, keep on shooting your shots out. Even with a beard that was sore. That kind of hurt. Oh.